Welcome back to the COOPR user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through the steps to adjust a route to prefer certain roads using via points. When entering the origin and destination for a trip, you have the option to prefer certain routes by the use of via points. These points can be entered by specifying certain highways to be used, or by selecting map points to be included when determining the route. Via points can be entered when you enter your origin and destination points, or, more commonly, after the route is initially calculated to modify the default route. The procedure for both is identical. In this example, we will consider a load from Idalia to Akron where we've already set the origin and destination. Once you click Validate and Run, the system will determine a suitable route of travel and display a map of that route. If you would like to consider an alternate route, you can do so through the use of via points. To add a via point, click the double arrow button to expand the left side of the screen. Via points can be specific highways or map locations. To prefer specific highways, select Highway from the list. Then enter the highway names of the preferred route of travel. Road names must be entered in the proper format. I for Interstate, US for US Highways, or CO for Colorado Highways, followed by the road number. Separate road names with a comma. Once these highways have been entered, click Validate and Run to recalculate the trip, preferring the highways named, as long as no restrictions are on the road specified. If you prefer, you can also enter via points by clicking specific locations to be routed through by using the map display. Select Find on Map from the list, then click the Select on Map link to display the map view. You can then use the map navigation tools to zoom in to specific points to be added. To choose a map point, pick the Select option at the top of the map. Then click on a map point to be included. If desired, additional map points can be selected. You can then click Validate and Run to recalculate the trip, routing through any via point specified. Again, you will be prompted with a map display of the route for your review. Beneath the map, you will find turn-by-turn directions to further validate the route of travel. If these options still do not provide the route you would prefer, you can choose to have it reviewed by selecting the checkbox located at the top of the map. Enter the reason you would like to have the route reviewed in the field provided. Note: you must continue through the permit payment process before the route will be submitted for review. Payments will not be processed until the review is complete and the permit is issued. This concludes this tutorial video on how to adjust a route using via points. Remember, other tutorial videos are available on the website.